individuals who rendered extraordinary service to our country. Of utmost significance are the fallen heroes of Marawi, of Jolo, Sulu, and in other places in the country fighting terrorism and subversion of the new People's Army and the ISIS Maoti terror groups in Lanao. I cannot thank them enough for their valuable service to our nation, and we shall forever be in debt to the awardees fortunate enough to be here with us today. Your contributions to our efforts to build a better life for our people have earned you the right to be called heroes. Treat it not as an honor, but a responsibility